Alaikum wa rahmatullah. I would like to say something very sadly. You all know that Israel is brutally killing Palestinians, but every Muslim countries are silent. Every Muslim leaders are silent, but Allah is no silent. Allah just test our iman and amal. Allah just want to see that who will stand for Islam. Allah just test us, but it hurts that the countries can't help Palestinian Muslims. But may Allah is always with Palestine. May Allah is always with every Muslims. And brother, remember the Battle of Badr. There are 313 Muslim and thousands of infidels, but Muslim won the Battle of Badr. Their iman are very strong. If we make our iman and amal like them, Allah will help us like them. That's why, first of all, we have to make our iman and amal, then we have to be prepared for fighting against Israel, against the enemy of Islam, against the enemy of Muslim. Inshallah, Palestine will be free. Free Palestine, free Palestine. When Palestine will be free, they won't find a way to escape, inshallah.